Monday, Joanna spends an hour with a magazine. The day is kinda gray and so lazy. She goes, and hey boy, Joanna's in the mirror in a dressing gown, talking to a friend who lives uptown. She goes, my love and beyond. Oh, I wish she was my love and beyond. Joanna says I'm not the only one. Joanna says I'll never be the one. But when she smiles, there's something in her eyes that tells me I'm not like the other guys. Joanna says I have to give it time. Joanna says if she's gonna make up her mind, Joanna says I have to wait in the line to come back tomorrow. Monday, sitting in a window in a cheap hotel, lighting up the room with a candle. I go, and hey boy, she says that I'm a mess any given day. The laugh says she leaves for